So if anyone doesn't know, I've been back on a bike for 2 weeks after 4.5 years off of a bike. I've lost my right leg to a motorbike accident. Got hit in the side by a car at traffic lights. Not my fault. The driver was given, I think, 5 points and £800 fine, if I remember correctly. Obviously I received nothing because it was entirely his fault. I didn't do anything wrong. I just went straight at a green traffic light and he just didn't give way. So I lost my leg. I've been back on a bike. I've got myself a 0S 2025 0S. I bought that from English Electric Motor Co. I saw it pop up as I was just browsing, and yeah, they had one in that was an ex-demo bike, 719 miles, 712 miles, something like that. It's fine. I just went in the wrong lane, but there's no actual traffic. Yeah, so I bought that. I had a conversion for the right foot that I'm missing, so I've got a left brake lever, and yeah, it's done me well. 2 weeks after I've got it, I bumped into Bex, and yeah, we're unstoppable. We're on a mission to just fucking dominate the world with outplates. Nah, we're both planning on doing our bike tests. We both want our bike tests, but we're both on outplates at the moment. She's got a Yamaha R125, which is actually quite clean. It's not like the typical scratch and dent, cable tie, blown engine, sack of shit exhaust. She really does look after it. She rides really responsible as well, to the point where if I want to have a laugh and have a bit of a pull, I can't, because I'll just fucking leave her behind. And she's like, no, do it. But I'm just like, it's not the same though, is it? So I'm in eco mode. I'm about half throttle with that. I'm not even half throttle. I'm just chilling. I chucked it in torque because there is a car that wants to fucking go some. I think that car wanted to go, so I was like, yeah, fuck it, I'm going. I saw him just trying to pass her, and they had to jump on me because they was already accelerating. I was just like, yeah, fuck it, I'll let you get up beside me and I'll fucking go some. The farmer's dog. Yeah, we're like two peas on a pod, me and Bex. She saw me look at that guy up, and I looked at her and I looked back at him, and she's like, she knows what I'm trying to do, and I would have, but I don't want to leave her behind. It's fucking pointless. I know I can dick that guy. I'm out here fucking chilling, so I'll leave it in this mode just in case I want to have a quick fucking tug, but yeah, like we get on really well. She rides really responsible. She's actually helped me get my mileage up because I'm not out here hitting all the nationals and just like, you know, giving it a little bit. You know, I'm sticking to speed limits a lot more, which is good. I'm accelerating like a normal person. I'm not using like every ounce of torque just to get up to speed and like just hold it there. Yeah, it's nice. I do enjoy a company, and hopefully, if things go really well, it can stay that way, just on bigger bikes. She knows I've got a leg missing, absolutely fine. We don't really like to socialise, we don't like large groups of people, so that's a win. So now that car's pulling away from me, I really want to play with him, but I also don't want to break the fucking speed limit, because I know, she's got an influence on me. She looks like she can kill a person and suck their soul out, but she has this effect on me when I see her in my mirror, or I'm beside her, or she's in front of me, and I'm just like, I feel like she's in my little bubble. I have this like imaginary bubble, and she's in that bubble, and I need to protect. Odd, but it is what it is. I think I'll get that with friends, but it's not the same sort of bubble. It's hard to explain. I mean, there's a bubble there, you're like, okay, that's your mate, you know, make sure he's good, but I feel like my bike is slower. I know the battery is, in cold weather the battery doesn't do shit so good, but oh, it's a fucking 40. I thought it was a 30. Okay. They can suck my apples. We're planning a trip to Dorset as well, which is going to be decent. It's only a day thing, but it'd be nice. Get her off the island and see what she's like off the island. Nice big fucking open roads, no traffic. The last time I came down here with her, this song was on in the same spot. I think this is the right way. I'm trying to reverse what we'd had when we left. Just try and get a decent parking spot without dealing with like all the piss heads and stuff like that. So look at all these cars. People walking from all the way up here just to go watch some fireworks tonight. And this isn't even all of it either. It's going to get worse than this. Is it? Wait. I can't remember. Was it down there or down there?
Down there, I think.
Alright. Yeah, it's lost acceleration. The 30-40 shit is weak. It's weak sauce. I'm not happy with that. I'm hoping it is literally just because it's cold. It's fucking pointless of having 68 horsepower and 132 newton meters and you can't lay that shit down like a fucking pog champ. I thought that was my mate for a second then. She doesn't like hills. This one isn't even any better because it's bumpy as fuck. They've shut all the roads down for the fireworks, which is bollocks because there's disabled parking, which is accessible 365 days a year according to the council's website, which they've left for the event, and we're accessing because we're both disabled. So if I see someone parking on a disabled spot without a badge, bye-bye windows, I don't give a fuck. Do. Just go down there. Yeah, that's right, just park it there. You alright? You alright?